Yes, I'm Roman, and today we are back in Boulogne after 3 years. I'm so excited because I believe a lot of things have changed. So how about we take a look and see what has changed. Just behind us we have the new cinema complex. If you recall well, the cinema is actually in the center of the city. However, because of parking issues, we don't have a lot of parking space in the center of the city. They thought of relocating the cinema, and this will be a sort of multi-complex where we really have just more than a cinema. So Boulogne Sur Mer is actually developing for the better. Let's go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
We are currently at the pier, one of Boulogne's most fantastic highlights, at least for me at least. I truly enjoy coming here because of the beach and of course because of Nausicaa, which is right in front of us. The world's biggest, if not the fourth biggest aquarium in Europe.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.
That is my old apartment. That's where I used to live. Oh my god. And here we are in front of Ugo, my old workplace and also my old university. It's so great being back here. Wow. Town in Boulogne Sur Mer. It's simply amazing, it's spectacular, just simply look at it. Oh wow, oh wow. What are you waiting for? Let's go. And that is your trip in Boulogne after having been gone for 3 years. It was simply nostalgic. I miss being here. It's my true first love, if I may say so. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the different things that have changed. If you don't know what has changed, simply watch my older videos somewhere here on the screen. And with that said, it was a pleasure, Boulogne. I'll see you next time.